So guys, if you really love to know how to make, this is aloe vera smoothie. Aloe vera with pineapple and one other awesome fruit. So if this is going to interest you, stay here so that we can whoop up some aloe vera with 2 more fruits to give you all these amazing smoothies and will help you fight wrinkles and facilitate digestion and go to the bathroom. So keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome. Guys, please click the red button, subscribe. Today I'll be sharing with you the amazing way on how to make your aloe vera smoothies. A lot of you guys cannot consume aloe vera because the taste is so bland, like it's so bland that people don't really know how to consume aloe vera. Today I will share with you how I make my aloe vera smoothie with aloe vera, papaya and pineapple. So everything here is all washed. I don't need to show you how to wash fruits. Make sure you wash them with vinegar, and make sure you wash them with vinegar. So I don't need to share with you how to wash fruits. I believe you all do. So you take the gel of the aloe vera, take as much as you want, because the key ingredients here should be the aloe vera. Aloe vera does not only facilitate, aloe vera is awesome. We all know that aloe vera makes you age less and is an anti-fungi. It also helps to fight wrinkle and facilitate digestion. So you need the gel of the aloe vera in here. And I will be using papaya because papaya contains a whole lot of papain, and papaya will help to facilitate your digestion and also help to brighten your skin. So you gotta take as much papaya as you want. Yeah, so take papaya, put it in here. You can use mango. I have mango at home too, but I just wanted to use just the papaya and pineapple for this. Pineapple is loaded with bromelain, and it helps to balance blood sugar and also helps to brighten your skin and help you lose weight. And it's going to add a whole lot of flavor into this smoothie. I'm going to bring this to blend. So now I have the papaya and aloe vera smoothie. Ooh. Tastes so delicious. Oh my gosh. Now you have your way to consume your aloe vera. No more crying about aloe vera. Go ahead and try this. I recommend you make this and drink them fresh. This is when you get the best taste of this aloe vera smoothie. So guys, let me leave you guys here. Share your thoughts. Go and make this smoothie and come back and leave me your thoughts and comments. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Yes.